How to construct an earthquake table. You take two 4x4 sheets of either cardboard, or this is a plasticized cardboard. You take yourself some 1.5-inch PVC pipe, you cut it to length, so you'll need two of these, and then two sheets of cardboard. It's relatively simple to make. You just put them on top of each other, and then you go to a fabric store and you get yourself some big pieces of elastic. The elastic goes around each end. You center the pieces of PVC towards either end, and then to make a simulated earthquake, we're going to pull back while holding down the bottom sheet. You're going to pull back the top sheet, and it should shake the table.